Hi guys, Andrew C, Walking Talking Thailand, and we're in Chiang Mai again today. We're heading up to the viewpoint, the highest point in Chiang Mai, to have a look over the city from the top of the mountain, visit one of the main temples there. And we had some rain this morning. Started about 4 o'clock, finished at about 7:30, and there's a bit of a light river that normally runs through this part, and I'd just like to show you what it looks like now after a big deluge. This is what happens when you get a lot of rain in a short time in Chiang Mai. It's bucketed down. This is what happens. You get a hell of a lot of rain here in a short period. Like I said, we got it at 4 o'clock this morning. It started. It was all over widespread. Finished about 7:30, but it was a massive deluge. Anyway, we've got a short break. We'll grab some tickets and we'll head a bit further up. Just a little bit of footage of where we stopped to get our tickets. We usually have a toilet break just down there. It's about halfway. It's a huge parking area. All nice and clean. It's spotless here. They clean everything constantly. That's the little ticket shed. That's our bus for today. Mr. Watt is our driver, and I'm going to give you a detailed package of all his information because he is extremely good.
phone เนี่ยครับครับ
Thank you.
นี่ครับครับ
Well guys, we're up here in the highest viewpoint, and unfortunately we're fogged in. So there could be stock footage get used here because this doesn't look like it's going to clear up at all. As you can see here on the sign for Thailand, Chiang Mai, usually about 34, 35, it's currently 12 degrees. Yes. Unfortunately, we are fogged in big time. It's just luck of the draw, I'm afraid. We'll get a little bit of stock footage and throw on the end of the video, just so you can get an actual idea from the highest point. It's a real shame, but just luck of the... To give you an idea of the height of the mountains, you've got Everest, that one, that one. What we're currently at now. Yep, still fogged in, unfortunately. Yeah, there's not much we can do. We'll just get stock footage, like I said, and put it on. But we'll keep heading on to the rest of the stuff. Hopefully the waterfalls are clear where we're going today. And well guys, we're up at the top still. We've gone to the Pagoda, and it's absolutely beautiful up here. Well worth the visit. As you can see, it's up on the side of the hill, halfway back down from where the lookout point normally is. We pulled over, our driver pulled over, and you get a little shuttle bus, costs you 100 baht, and they just jump you in a little transfer vehicle and then bring you around to here. And they wait for you while you go through, and then once you finish skipper. A little bit more footage there. It's a beautiful fountain. All the gardens and that there. Get a bit closer to the gardens there. This is the stairway leading up. And this is the one on the opposite side that you'll see when you're driving up the hill. Just jumped up the stairs. Do a bit of footage around here just to show you what you to come up and have a look at. Of course, there's always plenty of the king of the so you guys know that there's an escalator system, all the original stairs. The escalators are here to help you get up. You're a bit struggle in that department. And there's the other set here. Just popped out of the escalator. A bit windy up here, but still amazing sight. Definite thing you must do. Absolutely must do it. Stunning. Just looking down from one side, where all the stairs that go up, and like I said, there's escalators there if you need them. There's no issue getting up here at all. It's just some more footage around here. Very beautiful. On this side, a bit more footage, guys. Just showing you how beautiful it really is here. It's stunning. All the gardens are meticulously done. They really look after everything up here. Well worth the side visit. Amazing. Fortunate to get a little bit of break in the weather. So we've got a little bit of the mountains there, right down into the valley down there. That's Chiang Mai, part of it down that way. But yeah, it's just a shame that we can't get a clear day because this is a gun spot. A little bit more footage looking back up the other way, up over all the mountains. As I say, it's well worth the trip, even though the fog's let us down. The grounds, the gardens, it's all quite amazing. This is inside the Pagoda, and again, quite amazing, beautifully done. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying it so far. It's a bit windy up here, so I'm just trying to get into a spot where you can hear me clearly enough, and I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, that's most important. Then we know more about what you'd like to see, what you didn't like to see, and we can keep going from there and we'll make more videos. This is the stairs. They're a fair way up, but they're very mild. And guys, we're on the other side now at the other pagoda. We'll just get a little bit of footage of what's around this side, and then we'll get a bit of footage on the inside as well. Just waiting for a few people to get out of there because there's a few around the doorways. I don't want to get people in the video unnecessarily. But like I've said before, truly amazing, well kept, pristine, beautiful, well worth a visit. That's the scenery you got around you. While you're here, having a look. The grounds are amazing. And then you go right out into the valley. Down the bottom, over to the right. Guys, this is the inside of the other pagoda. It's absolutely stunning, as you can see. Amazing. Up onto the ceiling. well worth to visit. We get a little bit of footage of some handmade product, and the lady's actually agreed to let us video her, showing us her handiwork. Sits there all day and produces all these types of items, from bags, scarves, sarongs, all sorts of items. That's what she does all day. Our guide is just taking us through the actual village where the young lady was doing that. You can get coffee, their own locally grown, and also the tea. But we're just having a look at the village and how people live in these little remote villages. It's quite good, it's quite interesting. We'll get a little bit more footage up there. Some ducks over here in their little penned up yard. Thai people are amazing. They have no issue with us videoing. They asked the driver would it be okay. He said not a problem. They encourage people to come and have a look. And that big fella sitting at your front door, eh? Check the feet on that. Big powerful unit, working machine. Small rice fields over here. Rice fields. If you want to stay in a remote village, you can have a cabin, or you can do a bit of that glamping. Got it here right above the rice fields, and you are smack bang in the middle of nowhere. Alright guys, we've arrived at the falls, and we'll get up close in a second, but have a look at the spray coming out of there. Awesome. These falls are called the Wachirathan Falls, and you can make it all part of your day trip. We've been going since 8 o'clock, it's about 1:30 here. So yeah, we're getting through it. We've been to little villages, all sorts of things, so we'll get up and close and have a look at this now and try not to get drowned. Righto guys, I'm under an umbrella to try and help this out. This is what we're here for. It's amazing. Try and creep a bit closer. Amazing, man. amount of wind that this thing produces, the power of that water coming down it. Unbelievable. It's a must. A bit of a parking area, a couple of shops, toilets, all clean, no problem, and a little cafe just here. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. The waterfalls, absolutely amazing. It's a must if you're in Chiang Mai or Chiang Mai. Come and do it.